Hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel GITD Solution, and this is your host. In this video I will show you how you can find the duplicate values in an Excel sheet. For example, I have this Excel sheet. It has 3 columns: model, type and serial number. I will find the duplicate values in serial number column. So without wasting time, let's get started. At first you need to sort this column. Select all the data of your sheet. Click on sort and filter. Now click on custom sort. Now in the sort by option, select the column name which you want to sort to the ascending order. Then click on OK. As of now, this column has been sorted to ascending order. Now next to this column, click here. Now you have to type the formula equal to, then select this value, again type equal to. Now select this value. Now press enter. Now again click on this cell, drag your mouse here, click and hold. Now drag to the down, or simply drag your mouse here, double click on it. As you can see, this column is showing the data in true and false value. False is indicating that value is unique and true is indicating that value is a duplicate. As you can see, this value is also duplicate, so it is showing true here. Scroll down. Again same thing. This value is duplicate, so it is showing true here. If you want to delete the duplicate values, go to the top of the sheet. Select the first values of first row. Now click on data. Then click on filter. Now click on this option. Deselect all the values. Now click on true values. Then click on OK. Now select all the rows from here. And simply press Ctrl plus minus key on your keyboard. As you can see, all the duplicate values has been removed from your sheet. Now again click on filter. And now you can see only false values on your sheet. It means all the duplicate values has been removed from your sheet. Now you can remove this column also from your sheet. Click here. Now click Ctrl plus minus key. So friends, I really hope this video will be very helpful for you. Please do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.